Hi Porsche 917 fans, happy 4th of July. I was going to do a fancy lead in and be all sneaky and show you this, but I'm too tired and too sweaty. The body work's done on the nose, and that's 3 layers of primer, and it looks pretty good to me. It has 1971 patina, so it looks like the rest of the car, and that works for me. It's not going to be the finished color, of course, and I was going to put the finished color on this, and if the decals came in, put them on just to really make it pop and give me something to look at. But then I'd have to cover it with sheet and make sure it was protected during the whole time I was doing the back. And so I think I'm just going to be satisfied with having it look all primed. I'm going to force myself to celebrate because I've been dying for 10 years, 9 years, figuring out how I'm going to do this body and who I was going to get to paint it, which is, of course, is going to be me like everything else. So it's finally looking like a car instead of a collection point for body filler. So anyway, I'm going to start working on the tail, and I'll give you progress reports on that. Have a nice barbecue.